Fuck. God, you're solenoids.
Hey, give those back, you jerk.
You heard her. Give those back to her now. Make me. Holy thunderbolt. Whoa. La la la. Oh my god, allertor. Are you okay? Sweden. Marbles. Don't. Allertor. Please respond. Oh my, this is bad. I think I gave him a concussion. Ugh, I better call Dr. Hurricane. Hello, this is Dr. Hurricane from the Red ATI Emergency Services. Please state your emergency. Help, I accidentally ran into my friend allertor and now he just talked some random gibberish and won't respond to anything I say. I think he may have a concussion. A concussion? Oh my, this is bad. I know, that's what I said too. Can you send an ambulance here? Sure. Where are you? Howler Park. Okay, we'll be there soon. We have a code 125. I repeat, a code 125. What's wrong with him, Doc? You were right about the concussion. He seems to be suffering from amnesia, as well as a busted chopper. His memory is pretty much mashed potatoes at this point, but with a little surgery and some time to recover, he should be as good as new at some point. OMFG, he needs surgery. Oh god, what have I done? It wasn't your fault. Accidents happen occasionally. You know what, you're right. Now I need you to beat it so we can do our important work. Okay. How's he doing, Doc? His memory has been restored, but he'll still need time to recover from the surgery. During this period, he may have a strong headache and be a little dizzy. So he needs to go home and get some rest. Afterward, you'll need to get his chopper fixed by Mega Blaster. I'm gonna prescribe some painkillers for his headache. Okay. Great. Crap, we're out of painkillers. Oh wait, never mind, they are right here. Okay. I hope you get better soon. Thanks. Ow. Oh god, my head is killing me. Oh, gotcha. Maybe I should take you home in the Thunder van. Arg. My head hurts so bad. Why is everything spinning? Huh? Oh. It seems like the painkillers have worn off. Hold in, I'll get you some more. Thanks. I'm feeling kinda better now. Well, that's good. Do you feel like you can get up without feeling dizzy? Let me try. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Hey, learner. How ya doing? Hey, could be better. I had a concussion and had to get surgery done. That's what's up with the bandage in my head. And my chopper is broke, so I need to get it replaced. Dr. Hurricane redirected me to you to have that procedure done. I took some painkillers last night so I could be here without any problems.
Okay, the chopper is an easy fix.
Thanks, Mega Blaster.
You're welcome.
Thanks for helping me, Thunderbolt.
My pleasure. Are you still feeling okay?
No.
A learner. Oh my god. I gotta call Dr. Hurricane again. Hello, this is Dr. Hurricane from the Red ATI Emergency Services. Please state your emergency. Doc, it's about a learner. Okay, Thunderbolt. What happened with him? I took him to get his chopper replaced. And at first, things went well. But after me and him got home, he just randomly threw up and fainted. Oh my god. You weren't supposed to take him to Mega Blaster until he had fully recovered from the surgery. Do we need to send out the ambulance again? No, I can bring him in my Thunder van. Okay.
Why am I in the hospital?
You barfed and fainted.
Oh. I'm okay now, I guess, but I'm still quite dizzy.
Hey learner. This medicine should help with your dizziness. It might also keep you from puking all over the place.
Okay, thanks, Dr. Hurricane. Should we go now?
Yeah. Let's go. Bye, Dr. Hurricane.
Alright. This better work. I don't want puke all over these nice blankets. Holy crap. It worked. I feel great now. And it looks like my stitches are done healing as well.